Now this was that demo account I opened. You see I made a loss. That trade hit stop loss. Euro GP actually hit stop loss. So I took the trade again, alright, and then from $100 we're sitting currently at $222 equity, 227. As you can see on top, 145 is being made. So the account was doubled in one day. So $100 to 148 profit on top. All right. So I can decide to close the trade by just moving this by the side, or maybe long pressing this, and then you see close order. If you see close order, you now see close with profit, you just click it. Order is closed. Okay, so that is how you close your trade. CHF JPY is still going. Yep, the trade is actually a long-term trade. It can keep going for some time, but let me just close this two. Let me close this two and then leave this two to run. Now I want to teach you another type of order. There's what we call trailing stop. When you are already in profit like this, right, and then you want to bring your stop loss to enter, that is your stop loss to be in profit. So this is time frame. As I'm touching this thing, you see this round thing coming up. So it is highlighting 4-hour time frame right now. So there is, let's go to, maybe let's set it from M15. Trailing stop is, now I will move. Now you see this trade, now you see that it is going down. This trade is going down. So I want to move my stop loss to maybe 140.190. So I will just go Euro JPY. I'll just long press it. You see modify order. I'll come stop loss, put 140.190. 140.190. So when I just click it, what do you see? You see that the stop loss is there. So if the trade eventually goes back and stop me out, I am no more in any loss again. Okay, I have made my profits. Okay, you can either do trailing stop or you break even. Break even means you are not losing anything, so you're just putting your stop loss at your entry. Don't worry, when you get into the mentorship you will understand more, especially if you are new. So for this one, we can set our trailing stop at 134.565. 134.565. Long press it and then modify order. 134.565. So you put it and then you see where the stop loss now appears. So in case the price now goes back and then hit it, it is not affecting our entry anymore, so it will stop us in profit. Okay, so let's check the other one. I closed some trades there, but I left only one. Let's see where it is now. $173, right? 173, still going. So I can actually be moving the stop loss when they take profit to this place. 135.313. 135.313. So you are just modifying the order as what? As trailing stops. You understand? So all things being equal, if it works out the way I expect it to work out, the market should drop to this point. Okay, should drop to this point. Okay, if you don't know how to do analysis yet, but we may touch something like that on the Zoom. Okay, analysis on Zoom, then you'll get more when you join the mentorship. All right, so thank you. Yeah, blue. 0 USD. Okay, this one I predicted it before, exactly the way I predicted it. All right.